Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser pop-ups and the fake Chrome update alerts that are related to the site Watchoverlyrefinedtheproduct.vip. So some people may pretty suddenly see these strange alerts to attack their browser. These pop-ups claim that this is some Chrome update notification, but in reality, this is a fake alert. It is not related to the Google Chrome browser. And if you mistakenly proceed and add this so-called extension to the Google Chrome, then your Google Chrome settings may be changed without your permission. So please be extremely careful. Don't ever interact with these fake alerts, fake Google Chrome update notifications. They are not genuine Chrome notifications. By the way, these pop-ups have in mind to force people into downloading and installing some extensions that will function as browser hijackers that may change some crucial browser settings. So please be very careful. Do not interact with these pop-ups. Do not trust them. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, you should definitely fix your browser. Access the menu, click on More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you see any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. I also recommend additionally researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.